Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, 18th of July 2018. Starting off with the pound. The infighting over Brexit continues and weighed on the pound yesterday, this moving lower, back below the 76% retracement where we saw the market find a bit of support on Friday of last week, but now heading for the 130 level. Devaluation well in force here, and it's not just the pound, but globally, if you have a look at the currencies, it seems to be a lot of devaluation going on at the moment. So yesterday, the market was trading sideways. Then we had Carney out speaking. He started off obviously helping the pound, and then thereafter, what with the political shenanigans that's going on and the infighting, the market then just headed south. It was as simple as that. Down 100 pips yesterday before finding some sort of support there. News today, we've got the CPI from the UK. This looks like it's forecast to increase 2.6, 2.4 previous, and no doubt that's probably why Carney spoke yesterday. So he hasn't got to explain himself today with this when in front of the press. RPI figures as well look set to increase. Crude oil's been up for a while now, so they will probably cite that as the excuse and reason. And then we've got Powell speaking at 3 p.m. So stay out of the market while he testifies. It has not much of an impact on the market at the moment. Seems to be fairly quiet. He's probably the most unnoticed Fed chairman for a very, very long time. The Dow continues to move higher, but it's moving on fresh air. This is just prices being marked up. A bit of a bounce going on here. We are above the 76% retracement. And again, it may be just a case of bringing the market up before it gets slammed to the downside once again. So certainly looks ominous, I have to say. This low volume is doing it for me. No buying bars at all. The last buying bar we saw was at the bottom, and that's from the short selling, taking profits. You get your retracement, and then we've had the move up. But certainly a correction is due there. Yesterday, we see the market being whipped higher. We started off with a sell signal. Market went to the scalp support of 25,000. Major level, we've got your 76% retracement there. And then the market moving higher and closing above the 20 bar, 50 bar. Then driving through the 200 bar moving average and the DP level and Monday's close, allowing the market to then continue high. You can see a professional buying bar there, selling pressure coming in, and then the market trading in a range waiting for Powell today. And talking of moving higher, Bitcoin is on the move at the moment, certainly heading back towards the highs. The one that's interesting in this, as I said yesterday, if the correction's in, you want to watch the 7798 area for this market. Also, let's just have a look from the high to the low in June. We're through the 76% at the moment as far as this move is concerned. So watch the 7798 level. Been some good news for this market over the last 2 days. Plenty of it reported on the internet as to why. Sweden also voting to have a cryptocurrency as well, or legislation for it. So keeping this market buoyant. So it is going to go back up, there's no doubts about that, but it does take a long time for a market that's moved in a giant bubble to consolidate. And there will be pullbacks off this if we are starting to see, for anybody that's into sort of wave theory, got the first move there, the retracement down to the 62.76, and then the start of a move towards the upside there. Well, certainly the 5 855 seems to be in there at the moment for this market. And that's about it. If there's anything else to report, I will let you know, but that's a roundup of yesterday's activity and what's likely to be going on today. So as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.